Hey everybody, Melissa here. So today I'm going to show you a really cool, neat, and above all else free program that's built into Windows 10 that allows you to remove backgrounds from images. And then you can use whatever you've cut to either put into another program or you can superimpose it on top of another picture. And I'll show you some of that today. So how we get to it is we go down to our search and we're going to type in Paint 3D. And there it is right there. And it's going to bring up this welcome screen. And we're going to go to New. Now, I've got some pictures that I've just pulled from Unsplash to show you how it works. So I'm just going to drag and drop. Okay, so we have a person on the beach. Now, what I'm going to do is remove her and get rid of this background. Okay, so we want to go to Magic Select up here. And then we're going to take these and pull them in as close as we can get them to help it know where to outline. And we're going to tell it next. Now if you see, it's done a pretty good job at outlining except for right here. And we have the ability to refine our cutout. If there's things that should be in the image that it didn't pick up, we can do add. But in this case, we're going to do remove. And I'm just going to make a line. And as you see, it got rid of what was there and it pulled that outline into her hair. And that's exactly what we want it to do. So now let's tell it done. Watch what happens. We can move her wherever we want her. So I'm going to put her down here for just a second. Now I don't want this background anymore, so I just clicked on it to highlight it. And it's gone. Okay. So now I've got a pic of the ocean. I'm just going to drop it. And let's say I just want to put her in this ocean scene. If it'll let me grab it. And we can adjust the size of the image however we want it and put it wherever we want it. And now you've just changed the background that she was in. Now you can also take this image here and you can Control C and you can paste it into PowerPoint, Word, any other program where you want to put a picture. And that is a really awesome and free version of a software to remove the background image. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any feedback or questions, or if there's any content that you'd like to see me cover in a future tutorial, drop me a comment and I'll put it on my list and I'll respond. And I'll be back tomorrow with another tutorial. Until then, thanks so much for watching.